Hi, good afternoon, everyone. I'm CH Reddy. I'm Java trainer from Crystalspiders Institute. Guys, today we are going to discussing about that escape sequences in the Java. So we are going to see that what are those and how do we use that sequence characters in the Java while printing the messages. So here we have that escape sequences. So this is a slash n. This is slash n will be used to print a message starting from the new line. And to skip the double quote in the message, we are going to say that the backslash double quote. And to skip the single quote in a message, we are going to use a backslash single quote. And to skip the backslash, and you are going to start with the one more backslash. To print the tab space, we are going to use a slash backslash tab. And to put a backspace, we are going to use a slash p. And these are the some of the escape sequences in Java, where we are going to very frequently using these sequences in the while printing the messages. So let's see that now we can start writing some of the example programs. So to understand these escape sequences in detail. Okay, so let's start writing some of the example programs here. I just mentioned some of these programs and we can write these programs. Okay. So here write a Java program to print the following output. So this is what that I'm going to give the class name CSI class underscore output one. This is the class name I'm going to use that to print this message. Okay. So to write this Java program, I'm going to use a notepad plus plus file and let me open that notepad plus plus here. I'm going to write that Java program. So this is what that the class file name. So and open close braces. Yes, we are using a basic editor. That is what we already know. This Notepad plus plus, and here I'm going to print that message. So the message here, what I need to print as per my requirement here, I would like to print here, I'm CH Reddy, I'm taking Java classes. So this is what the full message, guys, and the double quote is started here, ended here. That means this is a single line. I'm going to type it in a Java message in the out method. So there I'm going to use that slash n to print this message in the new line after chready dot. Okay, so let's see that now. I'm going to specify that one, that same message here. I am chready and space. So here I am taking Java classes. So here I will say that simply I am taking Java classes. So let me go check after. Okay. So this is one, guys. But here I would like to print. If you let's save this program, guys. I'm going to save this program in this path. This is the path I am using. In this path, I'm going to save this program, copy paste and enter. And here I'm gonna save this program, guys, with the same class name. The class name is CSI underscore class underscore output one dot Java. So when we are going to save the Java class files, so always use the extension .java and make sure save as a type is change it to either you can make it all files or else you can make it a Java source files here. Okay, Java source file. And finally, you can say save this file here. That's it. So we save this one, guys. And now we are going to, if we are going to compile and execute this program is going to print this whole message in a single line. But I don't want it in a single line. As per the requirement, I want to print this message in a 2 lines. After chd dot, I want to start the rest of the content in the new line. So for that, guys, I'm going to specify here backslash n. So here backslash n represents it's an escape, one of the escape sequence, that is a slash n. That n represents new line. So that means from this part, it will start printing this message in the new line. Okay. So we say, let me save this program. I save this program. Now I'm going to open command prompt, and using the command prompt, I'm going to compile this program, and using the command prompt, I'm going to execute this program. So I'm opening the command prompt First, I need to change the directory, guys. Right now, this command prompt is present working directory is a C user ch ready. I need to change this working directory to K drive and then this path. So let me copy this path. So here, guys, so first I need to connect it to K drive. So then we can say K colon. So now it is connected to K drive and change that path, change the directory, CD space. You can say control V, guys. It works control V. Control V. I just copy this path and I say control V. It is pasted here and say hit enter. Now I changed the directory to the current path where I saved the Java file. I'm going to clear the screen and check it out. Dir is the command. It will show what are all the files and folders are there in the Java folder. And here CSI class output one.java file is here. First, I'm going to compile this Java program, CSI class underscore output one.java. So it is going to compile, guys. As soon as compile is done, it will generate the class file. You can see that class file here. This is the class file, CSI class output one. So I'm going to now let me clear this screen. So dir, and I'm going to execute the Java program for that Java space CSI underscore class underscore output one. That's it. And click enter button. Now see that, guys, it is printed this message. I am chod dot. The rest of the message is started in the new line. That is what the purpose of /n. /n represents start the rest of the content in the new line. So that is what here /n in the escape sequence. So same thing. Let's write a couple of programs again, guys. So here I would like to write one more Java program to print this message. I am chready. Make sure the chready should be printed in double quote, and I am taking Java classes. So this time the whole message I would like to print, but I need to make sure that chready should be printed in a double quote. So I'm going to write that one more program, guys, one more Java file. Let's open the new file. And here, you don't need to type, guys, right? I can simply copy this whole program. Let's say Control C and then Control V. And I'm going to make sure CSI class output 2 is the class file. And here, I'm going to print this message. I'm chready and so let me see that message, what we have to display, and I am taking Java classes. And I am taking Java classes. I need to make sure that chready should be in a double quote. So here, guys, so I have to say that this is the double quote and this is the end of this double quote. But here, by default, that Java, the compiler will think like this is the starting position of the double quote. This is the ending position of the double quote. So we have to say that skip this one, escape. This is a double quote here, and escape this double quote. Consider this double quote as a normal character, not a not that string looks right here. Okay, so now I'm going to save this Java file. So I'm going to make sure, guys, to specify the same file name, whatever class name I given. I'm going to save the file with the same name. Before that, let's make it this file is a Java file. I'm going to choose this as a Java source file. And the name of this Java file is CSI underscore class underscore output 2.java. So let's save this one, guys. And I'm going to save this one. Okay, so now once I save this file here I have saved that file, and I'm going to compile this program. I'm going to compile this program from command prompt. So let's clear this screen and see what are all files are there here. Now I'm going to compile the program CSI class underscore output .java. So once I compile this Java program, I can see class file here, right? And now I'm going to execute this class file. Let's do that now. CSI underscore class underscore output. Let's click it. So now see that it is printed that message. While printing this message, it is printing the double quotes as it is in the message. So this is what, guys, escape sequences, and the same way we can try to print this message, but make sure there is a single quote here and a gap space here and a double quote. The daily, the word daily we enclose with that. And next guys here, I would like to write a Java program to print this message. Java classes takes 3 months. So now here we have the space, tab space, keep it this a tab space. And this is one line. We have to display that. And this is one more line, separate line. And there we are going to make sure daily keyword in the bottom quote. So this is what guys, for this, we can use this escape sequences. So let me write down this program, guys. Okay, let me finish these other two programs to print this. So I'm going to type here one more class. Let's copy this class. I'm going to paste here. I'm going to change this file, CSI class 3. First, let me save this file, guys. And I'm going to save this file with the same class name, CSI class underscore output. And choose that it is going to save it as a Java file, Java source file. And let's save this file with the same name. So now we need to make sure to print this message. Is this one? Java classes takes 3 months duration. We have to practice it down. So let me copy this message, guys. I would like to copy this message. Okay, I don't want type. Let's copy this message. Okay, and put that message here. Yes, let me put that all message in my single line here. So here, guys, I need to make sure escape this is single quote. I think single quotes is not a big deal here to escape, but it is good practice. Escape the single quote, and here that 3 months, in between 3 months there is a tab space. So I'm going to say /t. /t represents it's a tab space. Okay. And here in the daily, the keyword daily should be in a double quote. So we are escaping the double. So this is what now, guys. So Java classes takes 3 months, between 3 and months. Between these months and 3 guys, it will put as tab space because we mentioned /t. Okay, and so we have to practice it daily. So I need to print this the rest of the message from UI, right? We have to practice it daily. This message I want to print it in a new line. So I'm going to specify here the /n represents new line. And this is what now, guys. Let me save this program, and I'm going to compile this program. Let's go back and check it out. Clear the screen and check it out. What? Yeah, we have saved that file here. I can see CSI class output 3.java file and compile this program first. Output 3.java and then execute this file. So once compilation is done, we can see the class file is generated for this, right? CSI class output 3.class and start execute file. So I'm going to execute. So output execute and click execute button. Now you can see that the same message is distributed in the same format. Java classes takes 3. Between 3 and months, there is a tab space is there, and 3 months duration dot after dot, the rest of the message is printed in the new line. So this is how, guys, we can use these escape sequences while printing the messages in the Java program. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Thank you. Bye.